Hey, what's up everybody? Wes here. Thanks for tuning in for another awesome product review. Today I'm going to be showing you this magic mount by Scosche, and in my opinion this is the best phone mount that you can put in your vehicle. This is the third one that I actually own. I've got one in my personal truck, and this is the second one that I'll be installing today in my work vehicle, and I will have a link below for this in the description if it's something that you're interested in purchasing also. It's super easy to set up. Basically it's just got a peel and stick here on the back, and there's some little flexible tabs here that you can bend in case you're not sticking it to a perfectly flat surface. And then you've got your Scosche logo here on the front. And next thing in the box, along with the instructions, you're going to have your metal plates that'll actually stick to your phone. And there's two different sizes that you can use here. The first one being the larger Scosche mount, and this is again, it's metal. This is the one that you're going to put on there if you don't really need Q1 charging. If you are worried about making sure that you can use Q1 charging, you want to use this smaller plate here. On mine, I've got the larger. Here's what it looks like through my case, and then this here is the smaller one. But each pack comes with both of these, and they're also peel and stick. So you just want to make sure that the surface of your phone is clean before doing that. It comes with some cleaning wipes here, and also it's got another little piece here that you'll stick to your phone that makes it easier to peel off if you decide to remove that metal plate later on down the road. It also comes with this extra adhesive part. This is what actually mounts it to the vehicle, just in case you didn't like your placement. You can have an alternate. And then here's a plate. You can see how sticky this is. Again, it's a magnet that doesn't mess up your phone, but it definitely holds a lot stronger than you think it would. I've had no problems with this mount whatsoever. Again, this is my third one. So here's the smaller version on my iPhone. This is my work phone, and this is the one I'm going to be installing today. So this holds very well. Again, I've never had any issues with the phone bouncing out, anything like that, and we've been over some pretty rough terrain with these. So to install this, you can see on the left, I've got my original. This is the one I've been rocking out here for the last little while, and then I was prompted to buy the second one so I can have both phones mounted. But again, we're just going to go ahead and get it ready. You're going to peel off the bottom part here after you've properly cleaned your surface, and just give it a peel, and then you're just ready to stick. I mean, it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. Again, it's got the little bendable wings if you decide that you need to put it on a curved surface, but we'll just go ahead and center it up here right where we want it. Push down a little bit. It says to hold down for 30 to 60 seconds, but honestly, as long as you just put some good pressure on it, kind of shake it back and forth, it's going to hold pretty firmly. And then from there, you just got to get everything adjusted. So it has this little wing nut here that you can loosen or tighten, and it's also got a clip here for any extra charging cords that you want to have out of the way. But what I recommend is kind of give this a good hand tighten. Don't over torque it, but get it pretty snug, and that's going to make this thing hold really well for you and not move around at all. But it's also going to make it to where once you stick your phone onto it, you're going to be able to move it around as needed. It's going to shift easier with the phone in place, but you can put it vertically as well as horizontally. I like to have it this way if I'm using maps, and then again you can just kind of bend it around as needed. So it's super sleek, super stylish. It fits in well with pretty much any interior. This is it in my Toyota Tacoma. Again, you just pop it up there anytime you need it, grab it off. You don't have to worry about any kind of a clamp, anything like that. It's definitely not going to bounce out, and it clears my view here of the windshield. So I'm super happy with this. I think it's something that you guys would enjoy. Again, it's super easy to install. Here's my work phone, and I'll just have my other one right there. Again, this is my third one. I can't stress it enough how much I enjoy this product. I think it's something that you guys are going to find very useful no matter what vehicle you drive. But if you have any questions about this mount, feel free to leave those in the comments below. I do read all my comments, and I try to get back to everyone. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Again, I'll have links below for this if you're interested. But if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.